Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Bit of a different video for you today. I'm going to be walking around a 2020 MG3. I'm going to show you where you top up all of the fluids, including the oil, the brake fluid, the power steering fluid and the washer fluid. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the passenger side or the left hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully, just come down into the footwell, give this lever a pull, come back to the front of the car. Just above the MG badge there's a lever, just push that to the right, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once you're comfortable that the bonnet is safe and secure, we can just go ahead and have a look. Now let's start off with this one. This is our coolant reservoir. So as you can see, there's a marking on the side that says maximum. So you want to make sure that when the car is cold, that is where your coolant is up to. So if you need to top that up, you can top that with just water with the correct amount of additive in there, and then that is your coolant top up. Just over here with the blue, this is your windscreen washer top up. So that is where you would put your washer fluid or water and diluted solution in. Just at the back there in this black canister, this is your power steering fluid. So you may want to just check that every now and then. Moving over, this is our brake reservoir with the yellow lid. Now this will be a dot floor solution. As you can see, this one's pretty full, but that's where we put our brake fluid, just in there. And then finally, we've got two things to check with the oil. You've got the yellow dipstick, so pull that out. Again, when the car's cold, you'll have a look at the oil levels. So this is nice and full and crystal clear as well. You'll find that when the car's a bit older, the oil will be blacker. And if you ever need to top it up, you just top up the oil at this point here, keeping an eye on where the dipstick level is. And there we go. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.